Hi, welcome to Gottacampgirl Journals. Come away with me today as we drive the loop, go see the Fairchild Oak, visit Chief Tomoka, and camp along the Tomoka River. The Ormond Scenic Loop is one of Florida's scenic highways and a national scenic byway. It is a 34-mile winding roadway that takes us along the coast, crosses the intercoastal, and through beautiful marshes. Over the years, there have always been a lot of spooky stories about ghosts and mysterious orb lights being seen along the road at night. As teenagers, it was a thrill to drive along the loop at night. But now, well, all I find here now is a wonderful sense of peace. Sometimes you can see groups of manatee gathered together just off the waterline, and fishermen dot the side of the road trying to catch dinner. Let's stop and see the Fairchild Oak. The Fairchild Oak is located at Bulow Creek State Park. This oak tree is more than 400 years old. It was once part of a large plantation owned by James Ormond, from which the town gets its name. Cotton, indigo, and sugar were grown here. The Seminoles traded here as well. It has outlived hurricanes and the Seminole Wars. What a magnificent tree. Okay, let's get back on the road and head over to our campsite. Okay, let's make some lunch. One of my favorite camp meals are eggs and veggies, sort of like an omelet, but more kind of like an egg fajita with vegetables. It's easy and quick. Beat some eggs, add some cheese, saute your favorite vegetables. Here I have zucchini, some salsa, yellow squash, garlic, onions, mushrooms, and I'm also sauteing up a little bit of meat. Now I just layer that on top of my egg fajita, add a bit of feta cheese, and you've got a meal. After that great meal, let's go take a walk. When I was a little girl, this used to be filled with water. There was a beautiful fountain, and all of the kids were allowed to play in here. I remember my mom sitting on those steps, watching me play in the water. You see that big tree branch over there? My mom and I climbed that tree. Not sure if we were supposed to, but we did. Of course, it was much smaller back then. There's my mom, climbing that tree. Come on, let's walk along the shore. Let's take the trail down by the river and watch the waves, boats coming in and out, and walk along the shoreline.